Today we're going to be discussing 5 motor skill activities you can do at home with your 5-year-old. Helping me today I have Gabby, and we're going to be working with clothespins. Gabby, you remember what clothespins are for?
To pinch.
To pinch things, to hold things up. So we have our friend here, the lion. And our lion is bald. He doesn't have any mane or hair around his head. We're going to use the clothespins to pretend that it's his mane. So I'm going to ask you to use your thumb and your pointer finger to pinch the clothespins open and give him his mane. Here you go. Using a pinching motion is going to engage Gabby's fine motor skills in her hand and also help her enhance her hand-eye coordination. These are skills that are important for writing, for drawing, and for cutting with scissors. Young children should be able to exercise their fine motor skills on a daily basis, but it's important to give her a variety of activities that are not repetitive and become redundant. It's important to have fun while you learn. In the next video, we're going to explore further examples of how to use your fine motor skills using different materials. Click down in the link below. Good job, Gabby.